she want them small. And some of you will ask how many locks she has. She has about 50 locks altogether. We use human hair, and we're going to post pictures before and after how her hair used to be. Update of her lock extension. You see how it is. Okay, this video is to answer to one of the person on Instagram that sent us a questions in regards to, do we use coarse hair extension on a straight hair person? No, we don't. This is like a clip to show you this is a fine hair, you know, hair extension we use to create the extension for the client who she has fine hair texture, and to everything is like straight, so to have the locks. So we don't use coarse hair because it will look unnatural. So that's what we use, and as you can tell, the ends. So stay tuned after we finish tightening up the base, and I will show you the after. And when I'm done, our hair start locking. And after many wash, that's how the hair looks like. I don't wanna lose